The assurance service facilitates the comparison of properties between secure agents. This functionality is accessible through the maintenance page of the assurance service, enables users to evaluate agents from within their own organization or from external organizations. Launch the assurance service application and navigate to maintenance page. Access Secure Agent tab and locate the specific agent you wish to compare. Adjacent to the chosen agent, click the Compare Agents button. To compare agents within the same organization, select the target agent from the Other Agents drop-down menu, and then click Compare Agents. Users can leverage this feature to evaluate the properties of multiple secure agents. A maximum of 4 target agents can be chosen for comparison within a single comparison session. To compare agents with a different organization, uncheck this organization checkbox. Select the organization from the organization's drop-down menu, enter username, password, and then click OK. Select the target agent from the Other Agents drop-down menu, and then click Compare Agents button. The Agent Properties comparison window opens. All the differences between the selected agents are grouped according to the services they provide. To view all the properties comparisons, uncheck the Show Differences checkbox. Users can refer to the user manual and the network community portal to learn more about the product. The corresponding URLs are listed in the description.